Okay, I'm just going to go through some of the questions from today's homework. The answers are on Google Classroom for you attached to this post and show my homework. The first question, the answers are very straightforward enough. You can look through, just remember that your statement's got to mention the word real in it, okay? So whether it's greater than, equal or less than 0, you must mention real. Okay, that has got to be in there. Question 2, find the point of intersection of the straight lines with equations 2x plus y equals 5 and x minus 3, y equals 6. If you're asked to find two variables, or a wee thing I would get you to remember is point of intersection means simultaneous equations. Okay, it means simultaneous equations. So, I need to touch the pen. Right, so I'm going to set it up like simultaneous equations. And I'm looking at this going, do you know what, I'm going to scale up one of them. I don't need to scale up both, so I'm going to say 1 and 2. And I'm going to get rid of the y's first, so I'm going to call that multiplying by 3 and multiplying by 1. So, what is that going to give me? Well, I'm going to get 6x plus 3y equals 15, and that's going to give me x minus 3y equals 6. Call that 3, call that 2. But if the signs are different, which they are, okay, signs are different, what I want to do is add the two equations. So I'm going to do 3, add 2. That's going to give me 7x equals 21, so x is 3. Remember, you want to get two answers, so I'm going to pick an equation, probably equation 1, sub x equals 3 into 1. That's going to give me 2 lots of 3 plus, oh, doesn't look like a 3, sorry, take that away. So 2 lots of 3 plus y equals 5. That gives me 6 plus y equals 5. So y is minus 1, and your point of intersection therefore is 3, negative 1. Marks for that question, you will get 1 mark for knowing to use simultaneous equations. You'll get 1 mark for scaling your equations, 1 mark for finding your x, and 1 mark for your y written as a coordinate. Okay, question 3, very straightforward. Question 4, quite a tricky one as well. So the word parallel, now this is way back in 3rd year when you're talking about finding gradients. Parallel lines have the same gradient. But our issue here is this is not in the correct form, so I'm going to rearrange it, and we're actually going to just swap the y and 9 over, be a wee bit cheeky. Y equals 3x minus 9. You are technically adding y to both sides, and then taking away 9 from both sides, which would give you 3x minus 9 equals y, and all I've done is flipped it around to look like a straight line. So that means your gradient is 3. You've got the point 5, negative 3, so it's y take away negative 3 equals 3 lots of x take away 5. That's y, plus 3 is 3x minus 15, which means that y equals 3x minus 18. Okay, again, 3 marks for that. 1 mark is for identifying the correct gradient, 1 mark for subbing in, and 1 mark for your answer at the end. Again, if you happen to use m equals, if you happen to use anything else other than 3, you would still might be able to get 2 out of 3, provided you did that step and that step correctly. Okay, let's see what else we've got. Question 5, very straightforward, completing the square. Question 6, you're putting that into your calculator. I believe it does the work for you, which is quite handy. Yep. Question 7, we'll talk through. Part A, nice question. The volume formula, pi r squared h1 that you don't get given. So what have we got over here? V equals pi times 20 squared times 50. That comes out as 62831.9, which is two significant figures is 63,000 centimetres cubed. Part B, what we're going to do, well, liquid from the full container can fill 800 cups. Right, we'll get 1 cup here that's in a cone, so I'm going to do 1 cup is 63,000 divided by 800, and that gives me 78.75 centimetres cubed. Okay, then I want to find the height of it, so I've got 78.75 is a third times pi times 3 squared times the height. Then I'm probably going to bring the third up, so I'm probably going to times by 3, and I'm going to divide by this bit. So that's going to give me 78.5 times 3 all over pi times 3 squared, which is the height, and that works out as the height being 8.4 centimetres. Okay, 7 mark question, really quite doable I would hope. So 1 mark, 2 marks, 3 marks, definitely expecting 3 out of 3 in that one. You'll get 1 mark for knowing the volume of 1 cone, subbing it in, rearranging, and getting your final answer at the end.